Hey guys, what's up? This is my first video ever on this channel. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. We just had a really good rain and I was thinking for our first video I can go swimming into the canal. This is one of the clearest waters in a canal I've ever seen. Hey, thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below and comment what you think I should do next. And yeah, swimming the canal is super fun. Hope you like my first vlog. And yeah, see you next time.